Hello guys, my name is Bakar Mala, and in this video we are going to write a program that will read an unspecified number of scores and determine how many scores are above or equal to average and how many scores are below average. Okay, here I have created an array that will hold 100 scores, and I've also created a scanner class. Now let's create a variable that will hold the numbers we have entered. So I will call that number. Then let's get total, that is total number of scores, and let's get average. Again, let's get numbers above average. I will name that above average. I'll take another one below average. I'll make that one also 0, and a count that will help us count how many numbers we have entered. So I'll name that one count. Now let's make a do while loop. So now I will say number equals to scan dot next int, and now I'll put that number inside array and I just count to hold the index number of that number we have just entered. Then now I will increment count by 1, then put that numbers we just entered to the total. Okay, this part is ready. Here we need to complete while. User can keep entering number as long as they don't enter -1 or they are not up to 100. So I will say number is not equals to 1, sorry, -1. Here user can keep adding numbers as long as they don't enter -1. It will keep going. Here we are having error, that means we have to initialize this one, so I will make that 0, then the error will go away. And now let's get average. So I will say average total divided by count. Now let's check numbers above average and below average. So I will say get the whole array numbers length and here we check if that numbers at that index is greater than or equals to average, then we increment above average by 1, and we check again if number else we increment below average by 1. But here when we do that, when they don't go up to 100 here, it will add zeros to our below average, so that means we will not get exactly what we want. So let's put if again. If number at that index greater than 0, so we don't want zeros there. So now let's do this. We will get right answer. It is done. Now let us print it and see our result. So first I will start with total, then put total there. Again I'll put I will go to new line and get average, then I will put average here. I'll go to next line and print above average, then I'll put above average here. I'll go to next line again and put below average, then I'll put below average here. Okay, now let us run it and see. if we have any error. I'll run this. Oh, we didn't ask user to enter something to know that they should enter something, so just put prompt for input here. I will say enter numbers and -1 to quit. All right, I will rerun it again. Now let's end it. 12, 34, 56, 78, 90, 87, 65, 45, 34, 21, 90, 99, 89, 78, 67. Now I'll put -1 to quit. Now here, this is our total. Average is 60. Numbers above average 9 and below average is 6. So you can see the average is 60. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it is working correct. All right, thank you guys for watching my video. I'll put source code in the description below. All right, thank you.